In this video, we will learn how to use round down function in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some amount 10,327 and I have a percentage 13.70. I use here the multiply formula to multiply this amount with this percentage. I get the here decimal amount 1414.799. And now here I am using the round down function to get the round of amount. So round down, select the amount, comma 0 bracket close. Here you get 1414. When I use here the again round down, select the same amount, comma -1 bracket close and enter 1410. Here you see the 1414 is the same amount we get here. Remove here the decimal and get the round of amount. Okay, and here you get 1410. When I use here the -1, the last four is the round off in 0, get the 1410. When I use round down, again same, and use here the -2. Here you see the 410 is round off in 400, it get the 1400. It's down, it's giving the amount us to down value, not up value. In round up you get here amount in up, it's adding the amount and round up. Here amount is here less the amount and get here the round of value. So here less, here 410, here get the 1400 because it's a round of the 410 in 400. Okay, here now I'm using the round down, same amount, and use here the -3. See the in -3 what to get your result. It's 1000. In 400 round off and it's get 1000. Okay, so again it's down value, it's less value. So in round down function you get the less value to rounding off. In round up function you get the add value, it's adding. If you want to see the round up function related video, you can check my channel and you can see the difference between the both function. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.